Something new with Accessibility Agent this week. In case you've missed previous videos, Accessibility Agent helps developers identify, understand, and fix accessibility issues in web content. And specifically, it works against React components with JSX or TSX syntax. When I run the agent, it takes a React component, performs traditional linting against the component, and then attempts to fix or modify the source using AI assistance. In this case, we've added an alt attribute. When I run this, we've added an alt attribute to an image that originally was missing one, and we see a diff, and I can add additional instructions that I want the alt text should say, let's pretend that this is an image of a butterfly as opposed to a generic image description for this image. This will replay the change and add the alt text that I specified. The next interesting bit here is maybe I don't understand why this change is relevant to me or to anyone. So I have an option to explain the change. In this case, the explanation is that adding an alt attribute to the image element to provide a text alternative for the image. This is crucial for accessibility as it allows screen readers to describe the image to users who cannot see it. That's a decent description for a short context like we have here. So I'm going to continue with this fix and go on to the next one. Once again, we have a fix that is showing up in our diff, and it's adding an href and link text to an empty anchor. The explanation is that content added to the anchor tag will make it more accessible to screen readers. Empty links are not accessible as they provide no information about their purpose or destination. I'll fix this, and I think we had kind of a no-op here. So as you can see, this will continue through the file, applying fixes at my discretion with additional explanation or instructions as necessary. I think this is helpful, especially for developers that don't have advanced accessibility domain expertise, because it gives them an additional touch point for understanding the changes instead of just hand feeding them the answer and moving on.